Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Amazing Facts. Science is a way of thinking, and the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Every creature in the world will raise our hearts to God if we look upon it with a good eye. So, children, the biosphere is the layer of the planet Earth where life exists, and it is a global ecosystem composed of both living organisms as well as the non-living factors from which they derive energy and nutrients. So, our bodies are home to trillions of microbes, and these creatures define who we are. So, children, microbes means tiny little microorganisms like fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. The World Microbiome Day is observed on 27th June every year. So 27th June is observed as the World Microbiome Day. And the main aim for this day is celebrating the diversity of microbes and the microbiome habitats. So the main aim for this day is to celebrate the diversity of microbes and their habitats. So children, today's amazing fact is about the hidden world of microbiomes. The fruits and vegetables contains many vitamins and minerals that are good for your health, and it is the nature's gift and best of all. Children, have you noticed this kind of mold on bread and onions, garlic and other fruits and vegetables? So you may wonder whether the fuzzy spots of mold are safe to eat, or simply we can scrap off the part, or whether the rest of the part is safe to eat if it doesn't have any visible mold. So this video explains what mold is and why it grows and whether it is safe to eat moldy food items. So children, now let's enter into our topic. A mold is a fungus and it belongs to the same family as mushrooms. So the black mold in onion is caused because of the fungus named Aspergillus niger. So the black mold in the onion is caused because of the fungus named Aspergillus niger. The black sooty looking substance on the skins of onions is indeed a mold, specifically Aspergillus niger. It is common on onions both in the field and once dried, bagged and stored. The fungus typically is found on the outside skins of an onion and it is harmless for the most part. So children, now let's see the definition of fungus. A fungus is any member of the group of eukaryotic organisms. So eukaryotic organism means single cell with the complex structures. That includes microorganisms such as yeast and molds as well as the more familiar mushrooms. So what are the health disorder is caused because of the Aspergillus niger intake is, first one is allergy, then weakened immune system, then it causes respiratory illness. So children, to keep the fruits and vegetables free out of germs, fungus, bacteria and chemicals, you need to wash them in the running water. So wetness encourages the growth of mold. So the wetness in the food items, it encourages the growth of mold. Mold means fungus. So what are the tips to protect the vegetables and fruits from fungus are: stir the surface of the fermented vegetables daily. Use a jar with an airlock lid. Keep potatoes, onions and tomatoes in a cool and dry place but not in the fridge. The cold will ruin the flavor. Citrus fruits such as oranges, tangerines, lemons and limes will do fine for up to a week in a cool dark place away from direct sunlight. So these are all the tips to protect the vegetables and fruits from fungus. So the fruits and vegetable skin has parasites, mold and pesticides. So washing only clears the outer skin. The underskin often still has parasites. So always wash fruits and vegetables and then skin them to avoid mold and parasites. So children, eat clean and eat healthy food items. So, the World Food Safety Day is observed on 7th June every year. So, children, the food without safety is not a food. So, look at this picture. You can see the difference between the normal toenails as well as the toenails with fungus. So, how to remove the fungus from toenails? Using some home remedies. So, first one is lavender oil, orange oil, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, tea tree oil, oregano oil, white vinegar, garlic, lemon juice, Listerine mouthwash. So these are all the home remedies for toenail fungus. So children, live longer with healthy food. Take care of your health. Thank you.